Hey everyone, I just got something in the mail. I never expected this day to come. When I started the website that was never supposed to be a YouTube channel, I just wanted to help people know what are good puzzles that are out there, what cubes would people recommend, because there was, at the time, a lot of options. There was like 12 puzzles that existed. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected by and packaged with great care by Rick. Well, thank you, Rick. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of you subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Holy cow, this actually looks really nice. From other people's videos, sometimes it just looks like cheap plastic. This is not. This is incredible. You get to see yourself. Wow, that is reflective. This is really, really nice. So I'm gonna put this in a way where it doesn't. Oh my god, it's reflecting everything. What if I like did? Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna have it there. Thank you, everyone. This is incredible. I really am inspired to keep making the channel better and more engaging. And I have a lot of things I plan to do in the future. Next year is going to be insane. I'm still continuing other classes for myself. I'm teaching classes. So when I have time, I'm going to be making the videos, but I'm going to really make some quality stuff, and hopefully you'll be here with me. So moving forward, I hope to see you with me throughout the next months, years to come, and I'm just excited to see where this all goes. So, thank you.